to Harpo's.
Who is it?
Just
This is
seen.
Detective John Kimber.
Why don't you come up to Harpo's, dick fucker?
This is Detective John Kimber.
No?
I'm a police officer, you idiot.
No.
This is Detective John Kimber.
Ass fuck?
Detective John Kimber.
No?
Who is your daddy?
Lauren speaking.
This is Detective John Kimber.
No?
Who is your daddy?
Harpo's.
Who is this?
Lauren speaking.
Lauren.
Yes.
Who are you?
Harpo's.
I'm at
You and a
Snappers.
It's really fun. And I
But
have
I
red
am-
hair. I am whiter than you know.
You're what?
And I have red hair. I am whiter than you know.
I'm a police officer, you idiot.
Good morning.
Super
How
smart.
are you?
Good morning.
Let's have a sexy girl for a change. You know,
Oh.
two guys with one woman. She's a healthy female
One
of breeding
man.
age.
Yes.
One decision.
Yes.
One desire.
Is it in fact true that a pump is better than coming?
In a world where land is different, in a time, one man, one decision, one desire.
Well, I've got news for you. You're mine now. You belong to me.
This is Detective John Kimber.
You're mine now. You belong to me.
I could crush you like a crack over soup.
I didn't.
Maria,
I need to
super
speak to
smash
my wife.
movie.
I want to cut spending.
Attack of the Clones.
Ever since taking office, I've strived to make government more efficient and to terminate waste, fraud, and abuse.
Who is your
Selling
daddy?
surplus state vehicles has brought in millions of dollars of savings.